What's up, YouTube? This is Too Raw for TV. So there is a new law that went into effect on Friday in Texas that will require drunk drivers whose actions lead to the loss of life of a parent or guardian of a child in that particular accident. You will have to take on the financial responsibility of taking care of that child until adulthood looms for that child. I'll put a link to this article in the pinned comment in the comment section below. A new law that went into effect in Texas on Friday requires drunk drivers whose actions lead to the loss of life of the parent or legal guardian of a child to pay child support for that child. A drunk driver responsible for the loss of life will be required to pay child support until the youth is either 18 or has graduated from high school, whichever comes later. According to the bipartisan House Bill 393, the legislation was signed by Governor Greg Abbott of Texas on June the 2nd, but it did not go into effect until September the 1st, 2023, alongside approximately 100 other bills. And the governor posted on X, formerly Twitter, "Anytime a parent passes is tragic, but a death at the hands of a drunk driver is especially heinous. I was proud to sign House Bill 393 into law this year to require offenders to pay child support for the children of their victims." No amount of child support was set in the bill, but the monthly payment will be determined by the court based on the financial needs of the child and surviving parent or guardian, and the financial resources of the driver. The money will go to the legal guardian, parent, or child services if the child is placed with them instead of a family member, and the payments will start a year after the defendant is released from prison if they are unable to pay while incarcerated. All right. So, do you know what the sad thing about this is? There's still going to be people who don't give a fuck. There are going to still be people who don't give a fuck, are extraordinarily selfish, always look at themselves perpetually as victims. And I'm going to complain about this. People are going to be complaining about this law, looking at it from the perspective of the criminal. Because, as I've said before, and I'm sorry, I just got to say this, man, like, we got a problem in our community where too often, like, some of us think, look, don't get me wrong, the criminal injustice system has been completely unfair to us from a historical standpoint. But at some point in time, we got to stop embracing criminality to the point where we look upon everything from the point of the criminal. It's to a point where we excuse the negative behavior of people in our communities that are preying on us. They're not preying on other people. They're not preying outside the community. They prey on us, but we protect them. I'm not protecting these motherfuckers. At the end of the day, this is a good law. That's on them. If they were irresponsible enough to keep going out, driving drunk, thinking they're Superman, then that's the least they can fucking do. You took a fucking life. You can never give that back. I'm not gonna feel sorry for you if you can't, I can't get the money. You better find a way, motherfucker. I don't feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for the kid that lost his fucking parent or parents because of your stupidity. Stop feeling sorry for these motherfuckers. But then again, that's just my opinion. So, tell me what you guys think.